Hi, this is Cash, your product manager here at Laxco Microscopes. Would you like to know more about our extremely versatile upright microscope, the LMC4000? Well, this is the video for you. The LMC4000 here is an extremely modular microscope that can be configured to adapt to any environment. Whether you're a researcher in a lab, a clinician at a diagnostic facility, or an educator in any teaching environment, the LMC4000 can be the answer to all your needs. Let's take a closer look at this microscope. So let's do a quick overview of all the functionalities that this LMC4000 upright microscope system has to offer. So this is currently configured to have an ergonomic tri-knock head. So this is pretty useful if you have different users of different heights, and everybody can use this system because the height is adjustable. This is also a tri-knock head, so I already have a camera attached to it. We'll come to that part later. I have a fluorescent illuminator unit that I have also configured on this system. This currently has the DAPI FITSI channel inbuilt and would be useful in doing multi-channel fluorescence. Under that, we have a 6-position nosepiece with the gout slider slot already inbuilt. You can slide in your gout slider here and also look at gout samples in a clinical environment. Here we have the standard mechanical stage. This is quite a large stage. You can have up to 3 slides simultaneously on the stage, so it's quite big. And under that we have a turret style condenser. So this condenser allows you to look at samples under bright field, under phase, under dark field, under polarization, and multi-channel fluorescence. So basically an extremely versatile system. Here we have our transmitted light source, and going to the software part of it, this camera is currently connected to my laptop, and I have the SIBA View software running on it. It's a pretty basic and pretty user-friendly software and allows you to do a lot of different stuff. Currently I have a bright field sample that I have focused under the microscope, and you can see it on your screen. Now to change to a fluorescent mode, I simply have to turn off my bright field channel, and I have to turn on my fluorescent channel, as you can see. So you can see the fluorescent light has come on. I'm now going to switch out a sample. So I'm going to switch out my bright field slide, and I'm going to put in a fluorescent sample. I'm going to try and find focus it now, so as quickly as I can. So it looks pretty decent. And now I'm going to go under the live mode, and here we have a fluorescent image for you. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, and you can easily switch between channels, and you can switch between different contrast techniques. So a great and a very versatile system which is useful in any kind of environment. As you just learned, this is an extremely versatile system and a very powerful tool to have in any environment. This gives you the flexibility to look at very different kind of samples, be it under bright field, phase, dark field, fluorescence, polarization, just to name a few. So a very useful tool to have. This system is very modular, so you can choose to have all these techniques in one system, or you can also upgrade it as time goes by. So again, it's configurable as per your needs. This also can do documentation. So since it's a tri-knock, I have attached a camera. That's also pretty helpful. So if you would like to learn more, if you would like to see more such exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website www.laxcoinc.com for more information. Don't forget to contact us.